Good afternoon. I'm Dr. Vinay Kopade, team leader for maternal newborn care and IYCM program working in Uttar Pradesh for Nutrition International. This presentation is on experience of strengthening IYCF services of ICDs for children 6 to 23 months in selected districts of Uttar Pradesh and Gujarat in India. Nutrition International supports the state government of Gujarat and Uttar Pradesh in improving maternal and newborn health and infant and young child nutrition services by focusing on continuum of care based on the first 1,000-day approach. I'll be focusing on IYCF, highlighting on system strengthening, improving knowledge and counseling by frontline workers, promoting exclusive breastfeeding and complementary feeding. Nutrition International intervention in UP and Gujarat started as demonstration phase in 2016 with the identification of one district in each state. Baseline evaluation was carried out, and after identifying programmatic gaps within the system and in communities, plan was prepared and activities were initiated which were later evaluated in 2018. After inline evaluation, program was scaled up in 6 more districts in April 2018 and continued till March 2020. By the end of the intervention, nutrition intervention monitoring survey was carried out to assess the progress. 6 pillars of system strengthening were focused by Nutrition International, which were planning and budgeting to align program strategies with government intervention and streamlining of sector meetings by detailing the date and minimum participant list for the topics for the month. Built cadre of master trainers, which included supervisors and CDPO for IYCF training and supported in conducting cascading training for frontline workers, and also supported in trainings under incremental learning approach. For strengthening of Anganwadi centers, regular supported supervision and mentoring to the centers which were adopted by higher officials were undertaken to build capacity of Anganwadi worker, timely updating of records and reporting, plotting growth charts. Nutrition International developed behavior change intervention on care around first 1,000 day with the tagline Tum Jio Hazaro Saal. I repeat, Tum Jio Hazaro Saal for service providers and caregivers which were adopted by state government of for Uttar Pradesh and Gujarat. Materials included video, carry bags, umbrella, feeding bowls, and dialogue cards. Link to the video is also given in the presentation. To the team of the field coordinators, regular knowledge attitude practice assessment was done during the support to supervision visits to Anganwadi centers and house-to-house monitoring visits. Procurement of commodities at Anganwadi centers requires funds for which advocacy was undertaken. And I also developed a web-based application for real-time data capturing by field coordinators to tabs. Analysis from the web application was shared with officials during convergence meetings at all levels. To this intervention, Nutrition International trained 16,000 frontline workers by 380 master trainers. Knowledge attitude practice assessment of around 5,000 frontline workers was done. All trained Anganwadi workers were used dialogue cards as job aids during counseling sessions. Proactive frontline workers and beneficiaries recommended by district authorities were given umbrella and feeding bowls. Over 7,000 posters were distributed to Anganwadi centers in 4 districts of Gujarat and focusing on meal frequency, quantity, and diversity. In the results section, data from knowledge attitude practice assessment of frontline workers and surveys undertaken different intervals has been presented. From 2018 to 2019, knowledge of frontline workers and benefits of exclusive breastfeeding increased by 34% point and 14% point in Gujarat and Uttar Pradesh. Similarly, complementary feeding increased by 29% point and 31% point in Gujarat and Uttar Pradesh. Knowledge on benefits of continuous breastfeeding improved by 32% point and 29% point in Gujarat and Uttar Pradesh. Plotting of growth monitoring chart improved by 37% point and 4% point in Gujarat and UP. From the survey in Scale Up district showed exclusive breastfeeding went from 72 to 69% in Gujarat, but increased from 56 to 59% in Uttar Pradesh. Proportion of children 6 to 23 months reported consumption of minimum diet diversity improved by 13 to 25% in UP and 6 to 28% in Gujarat. And meal frequency improved from 24 to 46% in Uttar Pradesh and 19 to 36% in Gujarat. MAT reported an increase from 5 to 12% in UP and 2 to 12% in Gujarat. As seen in the previous slide, transfer of knowledge on benefits and practice from Anganwadi workers to caregivers need focus through mentoring and supporting supervisors to improve counseling of beneficiaries and follow-up of high-risk cases. Promotion of locally available foods measures such as kitchen gardening and social safety net programs is required to increase access to diversified food. Poshan Abhiyan has already provided us with a platform for large-scale intersectoral convergence, but optimal utilization of the platform for periodic review is required. Breastfeeding is of the child is responsible not for just for the mothers. Enabling environment should be created and family participatory approach should be promoted.